What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, my airline finally showed up for the back. I'm hyped, and I went and I picked up like a new air gun as well, so I'm stoked to get those in there. I just need to go pick up like a new, like another like connector piece or whatever, just a different one, so I can just put like the airline onto the gun. So yeah, I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, so let's get to it. And there it is. So as you can see, I wanted to just make it super easy, so I put that on there already, and then I went and I picked up a like 3/8 adapter or whatever, so that can just screw right into that, because that's obviously bigger than that small piece. So I did that. I went and picked that up, but right here where this gun attaches to this, it screws into it, and on this one it's like this, so that should unscrew, I'm hoping. If not, I'm taking this back, and I'm just gonna figure out how to get rid of this. I don't know, might just swap those out. Who knows, we'll see. But yeah, I want to take care of that, so I'm gonna go see if I can't get a new thing, or well, see if I can't undo this, and then go get like a piece like that to thread into there, and then thread this onto that. Simple, very simple. But yeah, I don't know, this I feel like looks a lot better, and just as I expected, that did unscrew from the bottom there. So I'm probably just gonna go pick up like a threaded to threaded piece, so that way I can just screw it in to that, like so. Yeah, plain and simple. But I think that's gonna look a lot cleaner actually. And boom, there it is. I got the hose in. I wasn't able to get the gun in yet, because I have to get like a different piece right here for the gun. Like I was saying, I was not able to find it at Lowe's, so I'm gonna have to run to Home Depot, see if I can't find that. But I'm hyped with how that's looking. It's so much better than the bright like blue one. It just didn't match, and it kind of threw things off, like I was saying. And then I'm gonna try and get rid of this yellow hose on the end of that gun, if I can't get a piece to, you know, connect to that gun. And I figured I would bring you guys upstairs real quick and show you that I grabbed 2 cans of Reflex Silver, 2 cans of 2K Clear, and then 1 can of primer. These are gonna be for my front lip, and then for my like the shark fin antenna thing. I'm gonna paint match that as well. All in the details, bro, I'm telling you. But shout out to LKQ Parts for hooking me up with the custom fill of the Reflex Silver. I'm hyped, can't wait. It's the same thing that I painted the wing with, so I'm hyped that I got those. I'm probably gonna grab like 2 more cans, because I'm gonna be fixing my front bumper. But I just wanted to show you guys this, and then also I wanted to give a huge shout out to Devin, Bobbi, and Jared. I've met Devin and Bobbi before at like Tuner Evolution, and they're super awesome people, and I wanted to support Devin as much as I could, and I grabbed some the jet tags as well, so I'm waiting for those to show up. But I wanted to thank them and just give them a little shout out on my channel. I know they probably won't see this video ever, but if they ever do, thank you guys so much. This is quality. I love the color. Super dope. The Vossen logo on the bottom, I think that is sick. Dope that they hooked me up with an air freshener, and man, I really love the shirt. Again, super great people. I've never met Jared. I really want to. He's got a cool name, but so again, shout out to them, and thank you guys. What is up, everybody? It's the next day, and my LEDs didn't show up. I'm kind of upset. They were literally missent to St. Helens, and then missent again to Seattle. Like, I'm not even kidding. I don't know how that can happen twice. Like, that has to be like, there's no way that's human error. that cannot, like, I was pretty like astonished. Like, I was like, there's no way it gets missent twice. But I figured I would finish this video off because, again, like I mentioned in my last video, I'm doing a little bit more research and I'm trying to figure out exactly what I can do to mod my headlight. I know I gotta take it out like all the way, and that's gonna be kind of, you know, a lot of work, so I'm gonna have to spend like a whole day doing that. If I actually want to black these out, these inner pieces, you know, and then like I was saying, I want to get something that like can make this like almost like a cone type thing that goes over that, like a clear thing, and like rounds it out to a smaller like eyelid or whatever, you know what I mean? Speaking of that, I picked up some eyelids for right here, and I'm going to be paint matching those. Like I said, I got a couple things of reflex silver paint match that I used for the wing and the spats, and I'm going to be fixing my bumper as well, so I'm hyped to do all that. I can't wait to get that done. That's going to be dope. And then I will let you guys in on a little secret. I'm going to be buying another wing. No, I'm not getting rid of the wing that's on the car. I'm gonna be getting another wing. I'm not gonna say anything else. I'm gonna leave you guys to guess in the comment section as to what it might be. And I'm gonna be paint matching it as well. So, you know, and it's honestly, I will give you one hint. No, it's not a giant wing. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. No, it's not a giant wing. But it's definitely going to be another wing or spoiler, whatever you'd want to call it. And also, I finally scheduled an appointment to get this damn dent fixed. I cannot wait. And then I'm going to be fixing all the other little dents here and there. There's quite a few of them. I'm sure you guys have seen them. But yeah, I'm hyped to get that fixed. I'm tired of looking at it. Shout out to the person that backed into me over a year ago and never said anything. Just backed into my car in the parking lot and drove off. So yeah, but it's getting fixed and I'm stoked. I can't wait. The car is really coming along and I'm hyped for front lip. So just a little, like a real quick update. Front lip's coming, the eyelids are coming, those are getting paint matched. The antenna is getting paint matched. And then I'm gonna be fixing all the paint chips, rock chips, and all that, scrapes and just all the paint damage. I got a new grill on the way as well. And yeah, I can't wait for those few things to show up. And then the sport shifters kit, it's coming. They're still making it. It's custom, so it's just like that's what I was saying. It like it's gonna be a while before I get it, but man, I hyped to get it. I cannot wait. I'm hoping that they give me some sort of update here in the next couple days so I can give you guys an update. But yeah, overall, it's just kind of like a little recap and update on everything. I really appreciate everybody's love on the channel. Things are really blowing up and I'm trying to push out as much content as I can. And yeah, man, I'm ecstatic, you know. I'm hyped. Like, it just doesn't even seem real to me. Like, I've been wanting to do like this for so long. I'm not doing it for anybody but myself. I'm having the time of my life, and I'm just, you know, trying to show everybody the process and have fun with it. So I enjoy that you guys are, you know, enjoying it as well. Like, it makes me feel really good. Like, that's super awesome to have the amount of support that I do. It's pretty crazy. Overall, I'm super hyped with how this turned out. The black, you know, on black Airline, it just looks 10 times better, I think. That other blue one, it just made these not stand out as much, you know what I mean? So I'm hyped with that. And I think I finally figured out exactly how to get this gun connected there. I finally think I found a piece that will thread into this, and just like that one, and then has threads on the end of it, so you can just thread that quick connect on there. But I think that'll look a lot cleaner. It's like the same color as the compressor, so I think that'll look a lot better and get rid of that yellow hose on the end. So But overall, I'm super hyped. This is kind of the main focus of the video. And that is probably going to wrap up today's video. I really appreciate everybody for liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Again, go cop some merch. This is probably like one of the comfiest shirts I've ever worn, seriously. And if you're not subscribed to Devin's channel, I don't know what you're doing on YouTube. But seriously, lots more to come, so stay tuned. And I really appreciate everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.